Merhabalar, bugün TİS fabrikasındayız ve yanımda Japonya'dan Akira WADA hocamız var. Kendisi bu alanda dünyada en bilinen, en önde gelen profesörlerden bir tanesi ve deprem yalıtımı üzerinde son derece uzman, uzun yıllardır bu alanda çalışan Japon hocamız, hepimizin hocası. Kendisine bazı sorular soracağım bugün ve birlikte bir sohbet gerçekleştireceğiz. Okay, Wada Sensei, thank you for coming and thank you for your visit. It's a great honor for us to have you here and for this opportunity to talk with you, to have your opinions and insights.
Yes. Turkey is the west end of the Asia country, and Japan is also east end of the Asia. And both countries has big earthquake.
Yes.
And I know 1999 Kojari earthquake, and this year, February 6, big earthquake hit other site.
Yes.
And I heard from the newspaper there are several seismic isolated hospitals.
Yes.
This is very nice. Also in Japan, many big earthquake, we have many seismic isolated hospital, but not seismic isolated hospital is also. We want to make more safe country using seismic isolation technology.
What is the general usage in Japan? I heard that the seismic isolation is widely used in all kinds of buildings.
Yes.
What is the most focused project?
The government building, hospital, and the large computer center, and the residential building.
And from Japan, how do you see our practice in Turkey?
Very good. This friction pendulum is a very good idea. The total thickness is very small, very easy to install the beneath of the building.
How about our approach in isolating the hospitals? And I can tell you that base isolation is being used more and more in Turkey, also in residential buildings, in other government buildings.
Yes. Not only structure will be safe, but also the hospital, inside of the hospital, there are many complicated machines.
Yes.
And the housing, there are many things each family has.
Yes.
All things will be survived.
One last thing. What do you want to say to young engineers, let's say, that is trying to work in this field, or to the public? Can we have your general message about base isolation?
When young engineers, not only boy but also girl, decide their job. The job is interest for them, and they like this job, and this job help society. This is important. The seismic isolation company is very good company for young engineers, I think.
Yes, and anything else you want to add to conclude about base isolation in general?
Yes. Next earthquake will come tomorrow or 100 years future, but isolation system will support their grandchildren or grandchildren. We want to make many buildings using seismic isolation.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you again for your visit for your time.
Yes.
It's a great honor. Thank you.
Please do your best.
Thank you.